Cavotec is the manufacturer of the vacuum mooring system, and Monday morning saw equipment associated with that brand on the dock. It was clearly associated with the installation of remote controls that operate the mooring head from the wheelhouse of the ferry. Monday also saw GIP engaged in touch-up tasks like grouting and refreshing minor fixtures with a little bit of paint. Tuesday once again saw minor tasks addressed, like this work on the side of the south ramp tower. For whatever reason, a small section of curb nearby was being dug out to be relaid. Inside the new terminal building, benches were being securely fixed in place. Discussions about the operation of the new ramp led to an exploratory visit and inspection of the one currently in use. Inspection became a bit of a theme for the day as a group from Stantec, the company serving as the prime consultant for the detailed design of the Kingston dock improvements, paid a visit. On Wednesday, likely as a result of the inspections the day before, a little bit of light welding work took place on the apron of the ramp. Apparently, it went well. But body language observed later in the day suggested that more work might be to come. This proved to be the case on Thursday, when the hydraulic specialists of Hydrep, last seen in late July, returned to the dock. Their task was unclear, but it seems likely that the focus was on better supporting and protecting the hydraulic runs. Meanwhile, up behind the terminal building, preparations were being made for a cable run of a different kind. Here, metal trays are being laid in the concrete-lined trench that will eventually carry the power cables for the electric charging arm. To maintain access to the dock, sections are done one or two at a time, and the covers quickly replaced as soon as possible. Good organisation and strong teamwork see the job finished within the day. Back at the ramp, steel covers are lifted to allow Hydrep access to the hydraulic lines. The way is clear on Friday for Hydrep to press ahead. And there's always an opportunity to discuss just what's required. Measuring and marking up inevitably lead to cutting and placement of the finished pieces. A colleague will spend much of the day working on and around the pendant arm. It's difficult to assess just what was being done, but it seems possible at least that a safety chain was being installed. To close this week's update, I thought that it might be interesting to show you just how traffic will flow when the new dock opens. There will clearly be considerably more space for waiting traffic and for cars disembarking to do so without interruption. It's really important to grasp the fact that the next stage will see an extension of the current dock. It may help you to understand if you see a picture of how things will finally be.